Oh, respectable audience, I have a question for you. 3 raised to the power 4 divided by 3 cubed divided by 3 a square times 3 raised to the power 1. 3 raised to the power 4 will be equal to 81 divided by 3 raised to the power 3 cubed will be equal to 27 divided by 3 a square will be equal to 9 times 3. Now, this question have division and multiplication. Some says that division will be solved first, and some says that multiplication will be solved first. But remember that according to PEMDAS, we have to move from left to right. Mean the operation which is at left will be performed first. So division will be performed first. So 81 divided by 27 will be equal to 3 divided by 9 times 3. Now again, we have to move from left to right, and we have to solve 3 divided by 9 first, which can be written as 3 divided by 9 times 3. Okay, now there is simplification. 3, 1, and 3, 3. So we will get 1 by 3 times 3. Here is cancellation, and 3 and 1 by 3 are cancel, so our answer will be equal to 1. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.